Adding lemon to food can enhance flavor, provide health benefits, and improve the overall dining experience. Here are some ways and reasons to incorporate lemon into your dishes. Flavor enhancement. 1. Marinades and dressings. Lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor that can balance rich or spicy foods. 1. It's commonly used in vinaigrettes, marinades for meat and fish, and sauces. 2. Finishing touch. A squeeze of lemon juice can brighten up soups, stews, and roasted vegetables, adding a fresh note just before serving. 3. Desserts and baked goods. Lemon zest and juice can be used in cakes, cookies, and pies to add a refreshing citrus flavor. Health benefits. 1. Vitamin C. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is important for immune function, skin health, and antioxidant protection. 2. Digestion. The acidity of lemon juice can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. 3. Hydration. Adding lemon to water can make it more palatable, encouraging better hydration. Culinary uses. 1. Meat and fish. Lemon juice can tenderize meat and reduce any fishy odors in seafood. 1. It's often paired with herbs like dill or parsley. 2. Vegetables. Lemon enhances the flavor of green vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and green beans. 2. It's also a key ingredient in Mediterranean dishes like tabbouleh. 3. Drinks. Lemon is used in a variety of beverages, from lemonade and cocktails to infused water and herbal teas. Practical tips. 1. Zesting and juicing. Use a microplane or grater to zest the lemon before juicing it, as the zest contains essential oils that add extra flavor. 2. Preservation. Lemon juice can help preserve the color and texture of fruits and vegetables, preventing browning in apples, avocados, and more. 3. Substitutes. In recipes, lemon juice can often be substituted for vinegar or other acidic ingredients to achieve a similar tangy effect. Incorporating lemon into your cooking can enhance flavors, boost nutritional value, and add a zesty twist to your meals. 4.0 in 300 words ChatGPT. Adding lemon to your food can greatly enhance flavor, provide health benefits, and elevate the overall dining experience. Flavor enhancement. Lemon juice and zest bring a bright, tangy flavor to dishes, balancing rich or spicy foods. It's a common ingredient in marinades, dressings, and sauces. A squeeze of lemon juice can brighten up soups, stews, and roasted vegetables just before serving. In desserts, lemon zest and juice add a refreshing citrus note to cakes, cookies, and pies. Health benefits. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, essential for immune function, skin health, and antioxidant protection. The acidity of lemon juice aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Adding lemon to water can make it more palatable, encouraging better hydration. Culinary uses. Lemon juice can tenderize meat and reduce fishy odors in seafood, often paired with herbs like dill or parsley. It enhances the flavor of green vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, and green beans, and is key in Mediterranean dishes like tabbouleh. In beverages, lemon is used in lemonade, cocktails, infused water, and herbal teas. Practical tips to maximize the lemon's flavor. Zest it before juicing using a microplane or grater, as the zest contains essential oils. Lemon juice also helps preserve the color and texture of fruits and vegetables, preventing browning in apples and avocados. In recipes, lemon juice can substitute for vinegar or other acidic ingredients for a similar tangy effect. Incorporating lemon into your cooking not only boosts flavors and nutritional value but also adds a versatile and zesty twist to your meals. Whether used in savory dishes, desserts, or drinks, lemons are a valuable addition to any culinary repertoire. Follow and subscribe for more tips. 4.0